Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been searching for an easy way to start selling custom products through your Wix website, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to connect Printful to your Wix store. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your own products ready to go, set up for seamless order fulfillment. Whether you're running a brand new shop or you already have your products designed, I'll break it down so you feel confident at every step. Let's jump right in. First things first, I'm starting here in my Wix dashboard. As you can see, I already have a clothing store set up. If you don't have your store ready, take a moment to create it in Wix first. Now, over on Printful, I already have a product designed and saved. If you haven't created a product yet, you'll want to do that on Printful. Think of this like preparing your stock before opening your physical shop's doors. You need something on the shelves before customers walk in. Now, onto the connection part. On Printful, look for the option that says Connect Your Store. It's usually pretty prominent on the dashboard because Printful wants you up and running quickly. Click on Start to begin the process. You might see a few prompts here, just like a guide leading you through a new city. Next, you'll see a Connect to Wix button. Go ahead and click that. When you do, you'll probably notice the page redirecting you straight to your Wix login screen. If you're not already signed in, just pop in your Wix credentials here. Don't worry, this is completely secure. You're essentially giving Printful permission to send products and order info back and forth with your Wix store. Once you're logged in, Wix will ask if you want to allow access. This is just confirming that you're okay with Printful connecting to your store's info, like product listings and order details. Go ahead and click Allow. This step is super important. It's like handing Printful the keys to your digital stockroom. Without this access, Printful can't automatically sync orders or update inventory for you. And that's really where the magic happens. All right, now that Printful and your Wix store are connected, there's just one more thing: adding your products so customers can actually see and buy them. Head over to your Printful dashboard. Find Stores in the menu and click on your connected Wix store from the list. Now select Add Product. Here, you'll see all the products you've already created in Printful, or you can make a new one if inspiration strikes. Choose the items you want to appear on your Wix shop and follow the prompts to publish them. This part might take a few moments, especially if you have several products or variants. So don't worry if you see a little loading spinner. Just let the system work. Once your products are published, that's it. You're done. From here on out, any orders placed through your Wix store will automatically show up in your Printful dashboard for fulfillment. It's all automated, which means you can focus on promoting your store, adding new designs, and growing your business instead of worrying about managing inventory and shipping logistics. I hope this walkthrough made things much clearer and took out any guesswork. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. And if you run into any snags or have questions about setting up your products, drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. Thanks for watching and happy selling.